What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this set of wireless microphones here from AIRHUG. Now, they sent these over for me to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, I'm sure you guys just want to hear what these microphones sound like, so let's go ahead and jump over to the sound test. So now we're switched over here to my iPhone 15 Pro, and this is the 100% raw audio from the microphone. This is on the normal mode, so no noise cancellation or anything like that. 100% raw audio coming out of here, so you kind of get a good idea of what the microphone is going to sound like if you just have it on the normal mode. Now we're moving on to the second mode, which is noise reduction. So this should cancel out a lot of outside noise. Of course, I'm in here in my studio, so it's not necessarily all that loud here, but you should notice the sound difference. Now we're on our final mode here, which is the AI noise cancellation. Of course, this is going to help cancel out outside noises as well. Probably really good if you are in a large or crowded area and maybe you're doing an interview or something. This will definitely help out, but again, this gives you an idea of what this is going to sound like with the AI noise cancellation turned on. The best part about a wireless microphone like this is that, as you can see, I'm completely outside. If I was just normally using my phone, you wouldn't be able to hear me at all. But that's what's great about wireless microphones, is that you can do long distance shots. You could do shots where you're shooting from inside and somebody's outside like I am here. Just makes things so much easier and more convenient. Now, coming back to what you get in the box, you will get the charging case, which does have most of everything in it, which I will show you. You do get extra magnets, which is definitely nice to see. And you do get a charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. As we take a look at the charging case, it's not all that big. So if you did need to throw this in a bag, it's gonna be really, really easy. On the front there, we do have some LEDs that let you know how charged up it is. And then your Type-C is gonna be right there for, of course, charging everything up. When we open this up, it opens just like this, like really, really easy to do. Inside, you can see that we do have two microphones and our receiver, as well as an adapter. So two microphones, which means this is gonna be really, really good if you did wanna go ahead and do interviews or something like that. Gonna be perfect for that. The receiver itself is made to plug right into the bottom of your device, and by default, it does have a Type-C, which means it's gonna be good for new iPhones as well as Android devices. This also can be used on a PC, so if you wanted like wireless mic for like a Teams meeting or something, you can plug this into your PC and it's gonna work no problem. They do include an adapter, which is a lightning adapter. So if you did have an older iPhone, this is still gonna work pretty easily, no problem. You just plug in the adapter like this, and now you can use it on your older iPhone. Another thing that's nice about this is that there is a Type-C right there on the end, which means you can pass through charge. So if you're using this for like a long video, you can still plug your phone in with a Type-C right there and keep charging, which I really, really like. The actual microphones themselves are not all that big. You can see the size here, not all that big. The microphone is gonna be on the top, so definitely keep that in mind. Of course, you have the logo on there, so as long as that's straight up, you should be good. There is a power button on the side. These do automatically turn on when you open the charging case, which I like. And then on each one, there is going to be that magnet, which allows it to really easily, you can put it kind of wherever. And like I showed you, you do get extra magnets, which is definitely nice. Now, using these is extremely easy. So you would first open the case up, get your receiver, plug your receiver into your device, which again is my iPhone 15 Pro. And then these both are gonna link if you take them out. So as soon as you take this out, it's gonna go ahead and link. And as you can see, the green light turns on, which means that it is powered on. Another nice thing about this is that on the actual receiver on your device, you have a UV meter. Let me put it this way so you guys can see. But you have a UV meter, so if I talk too loudly, it goes red and it's gonna show me that I'm clipping, but you have a live UV meter for each one of these. So again, it lets you know that you're getting good levels, which I really, really like. Now, we talked about the different modes. And the different modes, you just press the button right here. So let's see what's on there. I can't see on my monitor. Okay, so we're in the noise cancellation mode. Then we have AI noise cancellation. And then we just have the normal mode where it's off. So you have that live indication of the different modes. Some of them don't offer this, which is actually nice. You get a live indication of which mode you are on really easy to go ahead and do that. So I really, really like that. And of course, putting this on with the magnet is great. So all you have to do is essentially put the magnet under your shirt. And again, just make sure the logo is up and you put it on. It's really, really that easy to use these. And like I said, you saw or you heard the clips that we had with this. It's great for devices like this, whether you're getting into content creation or you're doing interviews or you just want better audio for your phone, especially at longer distances. A microphone kit like this is going to be great. So if you are looking for a great microphone kit, this is one that I would definitely recommend.